We're talking about garden hose quick disconnects here. I am so tired of unscrewing hoses and screwing hoses back together again. So I searched on Amazon and I found this thing. So it's a quick disconnect, but for hoses. If you have a pressure washer or if you have a air compressor, that's like standard. Everything's got a quick disconnect, not a garden hose, but they exist and these work really well. So you can see, look, it's on, right? So let me kink this. I should probably put a valve in line with this. But anyway, if you don't have a valve in line, you just kink it, boom. So now we can quick disconnect something else. So let me grab something else. Or I'll just show you this one. You just pop it back on. Boom. Unkink it, and we're firing again. Kink it, and then slide the collar. You're up and running. I've got this car wash thingy that's got one on there. Boom. I'm connected. Now I'm spraying foam. Well, I got it on water setting right now, but you get the idea. So this kit comes with enough to do, right now I've just got this on one end of the hose, and you can also hook this up to your wall and the other end of the hose, so you can do both ends of the hose. Or you could just do one end of the hose and save these for a different hose, or whatever you want to do. I'm just going to do one end of the hose because I don't disconnect that end of the hose from my house very often. Possibilities are really endless, but for the price you get, you have enough to do, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know, 5 different combinations. I'm probably going to buy more of these things because they're so convenient. Anything I hook up, I'm just going to buy these quick disconnects for, because they save you so much time and hassle, and I hate trying to undo and unscrew and unscrew and unscrew and unscrew while like you've got a kink going, and maybe you lost your like gasket in there at the same time, and it's just a pain in the butt. But this makes it super simple. It's just, I'll do it one more time. Look, just kink it and then just pull the collar. See? And then no water, and then boom, you hear the click, and then you're cooking with gas again, or cooking with water. So anyway, these things are awesome. I'm gonna go buy more of them. You guys probably should too.